Hey guys, what's up? This is Shabir Khan, and in this video, this is the video number 2 of my last video on Clickbank, where I would be showing my further earnings so far. Okay, so let's get started. Now, as you can see, these numbers $300 this week, then I think I showed until uh, this week in the last video, and then I've been making $149 another week, then 239, then 252. See, sales are consistent, but on the numbers, you can't expect the same numbers every time. And as I told you, I am able to get sales every week, but it's all about doing the right thing and the right testing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh my screen in front of you in real time here. Okay, so let me refresh the screen. So this will ask me to log in, and I'm going to log in into my account. Okay, so let me log in. Okay. So let's wait for the screen to load up. Now you see, earlier it was showing $100 here. That was the screen from yesterday. And now because I just updated and logged in again, I just got a sale on October 10, $105. So right now for this week, so let's say if I see my earnings between 6th October to 12 October. So if I go to my Google Ads, and if I select 6th October, so from 6 to up to 11, and let's see, I'll hit apply. So it says I've spent about 17,000 rupees, and okay, so I've made $205. Okay, now this is a total of other campaigns. So if I go to my campaign section here, okay, and we're just going to pick up the campaign only for this one. So the campaign is this one actually. So for this campaign, I actually spent about um, 13,000 rupees here, okay, between 6th to 11th October. So spent 13,000 rupees so far, and the CPC is 70 rupees per click, and I have made around $205. So if I do the maths here, so 13,343 INR to USD, hit enter, and paste. So that's about $179 in ad spend, and I have made about $205. So I am into profit, not that much, but yes, I am into profit. I'm testing some other campaigns as well. While testing some other offers as well. So it requires some initial testing budget when you test other offers before you get a sale. But yes, using my methods, I'm able to stay profitable. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you in this video. This was the video number 2. Now, so that's pretty much it. So since the last video, I have been averaging like over like $149 was made between 15 September to 21 September. Then $213 was made between 22nd to September 28. Then again, between 29 to from 29 September to 5 October, $252 was made. So let's say if I run these numbers from 14th of September to up to uh, 10th of October. So if I go back here, let's see what I've spent. So I'll just go back 14 September to 12th of October. So select 14 September here to up to 11. That is the max I can select. And if I hit apply, so I've spent about 69,000 rupees in ads so far. And if I do the maths here for this one, so 69,000 would be 69,000 would be about $918. And if I add these numbers, so let's say, let's add it here, 383, 383.71, then plus 149.68, then plus 213.37 plus 252.83 plus 205.82. So $1,205. So as you can see, I have spent about $918 since then and made around $1,205. So and this is this is all transparent in front of you, so that you don't feel like I'm trying to show that this is a get rich quick scheme. No, basically, and yeah, I have not made, like, the profit is a bit less because I started testing some other offers on which I actually lost over $200 in testing. So technically, that's why it ate up some of my profits, because I also keep testing new offers. But even after testing new offers, I'm still over how much in profit. So 1205 minus 918. So that would be 1205 minus 918. So I'm still sitting on $287 profit after testing multiple offers. So the good thing is, guys, that you can. This is a business, and if you don't test, like last time in my last video, if you did not watch my last video, I'll put the link to that video in the description of this video, so you can go back and watch that video. So if you are not testing new offers, you can make good profit, and if you keep running the same winning offers. But the best part is, this is a business where I'm making money while sleeping. I don't have to do anything except set up the campaigns and just check the optimization every 2 to 3 days. Um, so if you want to truly make money online, this is how it happens. And I just wanted to make this video super transparent so that you can believe in me. Now I have opened a few slots for my one-on-one coaching program. I'll be frank here, it is not cheap, but if you're looking for a one-on-one mentorship on Clickbank coaching, you're welcome to comment below this video. just comment the keyword mentorship, or you can say I need your one-on-one mentorship just below this video. And you can also send me a direct message on my Facebook profile saying you want my one-on-one mentorship, and I'll leave the link to my Facebook profile just below this video. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would be posting further updates as well. So take care, bye bye, have a good day ahead.